So there is some preparation that we need to do before installing Intelligent Protect. And that is Vaseline spray on a cloth and go over all the gaskets. And what this will do, this will make sure Intelligent Protect doesn't stick to the gaskets, so when we remove it, it's not going to pull anything out. Because some of them are just mechanical, they're not always stuck in there. And we also don't know how old the gasket is. It could be really old and could be quite porous, or it could be quite new. It could only be a month old. That means it hasn't set correctly and it could fuse with Intelligent Protect. So as a backup, we just put Vaseline spray on all the gaskets. It means our product will not stick to it. So this morning, we're going to install Intelligent Protect. So Intelligent Protect is a spray-on protection film that you can leave externally for 18 months and internally for 24 months. So let's show you how it's done. So as easy as that, we've covered the window with Intelligent Protect. Now it's really important to make sure though, that was quite quick, if we've got all the gaskets. So if we haven't got all the gaskets, we can come in and just give it an extra couple of little sprays in the corners, just to make sure we've got everything on that window. So now we've installed Intelligent Protect. It's left a protective layer on that's still going to let the light through. As you can see, the sun's in the background. It's still going to let the light into the building, but we're protecting it from all them trades. We've got the plasterers, the painters, and on the outside we've got the bricklayers and the mortar, or any day-to-day damage that could be on the job site. So now we've sprayed it, all you have to do to remove it is to simply peel away, and this will reveal your brand new window, still intact. So it's 100% clean, no scratches, no damage, and then this is recycled as well. So our spray-on protection film protects against angle grinder sparks, the day-to-day paint, mortars that will hit the window, any paints, it will still protect all your windows, so that's nice and clean. And what it will do, most of the damage actually becomes on the product when it's cleaned. So you'll see all these circles, all them circles on the aluminium, on the glass. That's where the cleaners have cleaned all the windows. That's where all the dust and all the grit from the on-site dirt has just come up off the floor. And that is what happens. But as you can see, there's none of that. We don't want anyone else to touch this window now. Just hand it over to the client, brand new window. Hey guys, thank you for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe below.